A nice day in Brookhaven. There better not be any more crazy neighbors and special cars I can get. But I can go in here and I can find 2 people called Hi. And that's wood. And I'm gonna put go up here. Time to steal a vehicle. Perfect. Okay, let's go. Let's get out of here before the cops find out, which they won't. Cause I've completely destroyed them with my lights. Oh, I can't see. I can't actually see. Wait. Where am I going? Phew. That was a close one. Oh, okay. I'm plunging down to earth now, I guess. No, yeah, I'm gonna do the entirety turn. Time to go now. Uh-oh. You serious? I'm out of engine speed. Oh, no, I'm not. That was a lie. Okay, up. Time to land. Time to land. Alright, so we're landing right now. This is taking too long. I'll jump out. See? Not that bad. You know what I mean? Like lols. It's not that bad. What's in here? There's like a secret room in here. Any more secrets? No? Okay. Law office. That'll be nice. Let's go to the law office. And start breaking the law, folks! You thought you really actually thought, didn't you? You really thought. Like, you really thought. So, now, okay, that's just sad. I'll end the video right here.